What unites us, humans? Isn't it the same heart, the same soul? Don't we all feel the same love? It's time to sense again. It's time to rebuild. What would the earth say if she saw us? We, their dissident children intoxicated with the future. What would our mother say if she saw us? She would say, "You're brothers and sisters. It's time to rebuild." Why not rebuild instead of replace? Who has sold us the idea of the useful? What happens to the useless? What happens with a kiss? With a hug? With a look? It's time to rebuild. It's time to scream. It's the moment to defend, to build bridges, to kiss, to hug, to not be afraid of being, to go back to the beginning, from the ruins, stone by stone. Humanity has always existed. This family exists before you, before me, before us. What would our mother cry out if she saw us? It's time to rebuild.